So if you feel na kaya nyo maging social media manager this 2025 and you don't know how to start, this video is for you. Nag-i-start ako, hindi ko rin alam kung ano yung mga kailangan gawin, hindi ko alam yung mga hindi dapat kailangan gawin. But there's an AI that helped me to become a successful social media manager. Think na kumikita na ako ng this and this and this. Natin yung prompt na give me prompt that will help me automate all my social media posts with insights and remarks. I want to upload an image and post it based on a platform. Then after natin magbigay ng prompt, gagawa na yung Blackbox AI. After that, ika-copy lang natin siya, and then sa Blackbox AI ulit tayo pupunta. Kapag pumunta na tayo sa Blackbox AI ulit, isa-search lang natin siya ulit. So, type blackbox.ai, then after natin siya i-type, ayan, hinihintay lang natin siya. Yes, ayan, punta tayo sa app builder, and then, ayan, type lang natin, or paste lang natin yung prompt. Then, while waiting, advice lang din, don't be overwhelmed, and be eager to risk and to start. And after that, meron na tayong content planner. So, makikita nyo dyan yung pwede tayo mag-schedule post, makikita nyo yung calendar kung kailan ipopost yung in-schedule yung content. Then, may analytics dyan, yung total engagement, para malaman nyo kung nag-grow ba yung account nyo o hindi. Hindi siyang visual representation. Create new post, then type lang natin yung post title, kung about saan yung content. Then, after that, yan, isa-save lang natin, and then yung regular post, tapos i-schedule na natin siya. So therefore, try blackbox.ai at your own risk and at your own pace, and of course, at your own success.